Okay, the keycap did not print very well. It's spaghettied out, and so it's supposed to look like this on the inside. And this is what we see. So I've actually just gotten some primer spray, which is like for car stuff, but it's supposed to fill in the cracks. And you can see this texture is still pretty bad. And I was getting a lot of feedback about this one that I painted, that the texture was really bad. So I'm gonna give it a go. Because I figured the key's going to waste anyway, so I may as well do an experiment. This is the primer. I think I did too much. Oh God, we'll see if that'll just dry. Okay, I think I have Jenna Marbles too much, Jean. I just kept spraying. I don't know why. No, it's just like a puddle. Whee!